Hello, I'm back to take an EKG. So this starts on page 133. This is where the description of what the EKG and electrocardiogram is, which is we're recording the electrical impulses as they travel across the heart. And if you were in lab, you would actually get to perform an EKG on one of your lab mates in a group of 4. But since you're not here, I have a volunteer lab person. So tilt the camera down. They're masked up for everyone's safety, right? So I'm going to move the camera around as you can see everything. You can see here you're supposed to have this computer. I got one of those. This is the computer that logs the information. You're going to have this vernier computer interface. That's what this is right here. There's a little thing called EKG sensor. There is this Logger Pro. That's actually the program on the computer I'm using. And then these electrode tabs. So that's what these are. These are these little sticky tabs. If you've ever seen like a doctor show where they put like little tabs all over people and then connect wires, that's what we're doing. So you'll see that the first thing you're supposed to do is hook all the wires up to the computer. I did that. All the wires are hooked up. And then I'm going to turn the computer so you can see it, although I don't think you'll see it well.
Click the little bit of
Click what?
a little bit on the camera and it might change the brightness a bit.
I don't know if it will. But that's not my biggest issue. What I was going to say was what it shows you next is that you're supposed to attach 3 of these to your arms like in this picture, although with a shirt on. You don't have to get naked to do it. So what we what we did here is we put one tab on her right wrist, one on her right, the crux of the right elbow, and then one on the left arm. And then you take these electrodes here, which are these wires. You'll see there's a red one, a green one, and a black one, and they get clipped to the little, maybe you can't really see that, they clip on to these little, they clip onto these right here. There's like a little free end, and these things are crazy sticky. I don't know if you've ever seen them. They have like the sticking power of ooey gooey crazy. You can ask my volunteer when this is over how much fun it was. So you clip them on. You then have to be super chill. You have to like be as calm as you can be. In fact, it even says person should be sitting in a reclined position in a chair or lay flat on the table, which we're not going to do because that sounds dicey in here.
Not There's also a heart right there.
There is a heart over there. I'll do that in a little bit. But so what we're going to do next then is we're going to click the collect button, which you can't really see. If I pick this up, maybe you can see it. It's too bright. There's like a little button on the computer screen here. This one right here that I can click. I'm going to click that. Put your phone down. You're supposed to be chill, man. And it's going to collect a little signal. That little red line that you see across the bottom there, that's the EKG. I'm going to take a picture of that, and then in a different video I'll explain how to interpret that for all the data that goes in here on page 135.